In this video, we will look at problems which have mixture of addition and subtraction. All right, the direction says to perform the indicated operations. When you see the word operation in math, that usually means any one or combination of the four arithmetic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here we only have addition and subtraction. So let's begin. Number one, we have three numbers, -4 plus 7 subtract 9. And you could just go left to right and go ahead and do, that will equal -4 plus 7 is 3 subtract 9, and that is equal to -6. Or another way you can look at it is, I did this in previous video, I'm going to keep addition as it is, but change subtraction as addition of the opposite number that follows. So that'll be -4 plus 7 plus -9. All right. Okay, and again, I can add left to right, but what I usually like to do is I'm going to pull together the two negatives and add the positive 7 at the end. The reason why I do that is because it's much easier to do -4 plus -9, because that will give me -13 plus 7. And now -13 plus 7 is same as doing 13 minus 7, which is 6. But since the 13 is a negative, the answer is -6. Again, either way, we end up with the same result. All right, then let's look at number two. Number two, if I go left to right, that will be 8 plus -3 is 5, subtract -2. Again, that can be written as 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. All right, so that is our answer. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo this problem by, again, keep the addition as same and change the subtraction as addition of the number opposite of the number that follows. The number that follows is -2, so that becomes +2. And here I'm going to add 8 plus 2 plus -3. Again, I'm pulling the numbers that have the same sign together. Of course, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus -3 is 7. Again, the same result. All right, number 3 is a little bit long. Number 3, let me just go ahead and do this, the method where I'm going to change all the subtraction as addition of the negative, and this will be addition of the +3. And here I'm not going to change because I already have addition, which is addition of -2, and subtract 1 is addition of -1. Okay, here what I see is I have 4 negatives, -9, -8, -2, -1, and I'm going to pull that all together. And the only non-negative I have is 3, and that comes at the end. All right, and again, the reason why I do that is because these 4 numbers can be added up very easily because they're all negatives. And what I have is, that is a -20 plus 3, and now that is -17. That should be our final result. Again, that is easier than trying to go from left to right.